Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cover stitch machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a sewing enthusiast or a professional looking for that perfect machine to elevate your projects, this video has you covered. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below if you want to dive deeper into any of these options. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Janome CoverPro 900 CPX cover stitch machine. This machine is designed for those who are looking for simplicity and reliability without going overboard on features. The 900 CPX offers solid performance and is ideal for beginners or casual users who need a basic cover stitch machine to handle hems and stretch fabrics. One of the standout features of the Janome 900 CPX is its compact design. With dimensions of 17 by 19 by 15 inches, it's easy to store and transport, making it a great option for small sewing spaces. However, the machine is sturdy, weighing 23 pounds, which gives it good stability during operation. Its bonus accessories add value, though it lacks the advanced features seen in higher-ranked models. While it delivers decent results for basic tasks, the 900 CPX might not be the best option for sewing professionals or anyone looking for high-speed stitching or advanced customization. The customer reviews highlight its ease of use, but also mention that it may struggle with thicker fabrics or more intricate projects. If you're looking for something affordable and functional for light use, this machine could be a good fit. But for the price, it might fall short for advanced users. At number 4, we have the Juki MCS 1500 cover stitch and chain stitch machine. Juki is known for its durable and performance-driven sewing machines, and the MCS 1500 is no exception. This machine is perfect for users who need versatility in handling a variety of fabrics, from knits to wovens. One of the standout features here is the 1,350 stitches per minute speed, which allows for faster sewing without compromising on quality. The differential feed adjustment is another fantastic addition, ensuring smooth finishes even on stretchy or delicate fabrics like georgette. The super easy looper threading system is a game changer for anyone who dreads the threading process. It's fast and intuitive. Despite these features, the MCS 1500 is slightly let down by its lack of included accessories and a relatively small user base compared to other models. While it's a reliable workhorse, it may not offer the same user-friendly experience as higher-ranked options. This machine is ideal for intermediate users who want professional results without spending top dollar. But if advanced features are a priority, you might want to look elsewhere. Coming in at number 3 is the Janome CoverPro 1000 CPX high-speed, long-arm, heavy-duty cover stitch machine. If you're looking for a machine that bridges the gap between industrial performance and home convenience, this is a solid contender. Its innovative design combines the heavy-duty functionality of a cover hem machine with the simplicity of a sewing machine. The 1000 CPX stands out for its seam tightening system, STS, which ensures flat, tight stitches on all types of fabrics. Additionally, the extra-large bed space makes it a dream for larger projects, while the snap-on pressure foot simplifies fabric handling during stitching. With its high-speed capabilities, this machine is perfect for tackling demanding projects quickly and efficiently. On the downside, the 1000 CPX is heavier than other models, weighing in at 23.1 pounds, which makes portability a challenge. It's also priced higher than the Janome 900 CPX, but the advanced features and build quality justify the additional cost. This machine is best suited for experienced users who need a reliable, heavy-duty option for professional-grade results. At number 2, we have the Brother Coverstitch Serger 2340CV. As the budget-friendly option in our lineup, this machine packs a surprising amount of features for its price point, making it a fantastic choice for beginners or those on a tighter budget. The Brother 2340CV boasts a sturdy metal frame, ensuring durability and stability during use. With a speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, it's fast enough for most home projects. The tri-cover stitch and wide, narrow cover stitch options make it versatile, especially for working with stretch fabrics and creating professional-looking hems and necklines. The color-coded threading and fast thread looper system simplify the setup process, which is a big plus for beginners. While the Brother 2340CV offers excellent value, it does have limitations. It's not as robust or feature-rich as higher-end models, and advanced users might find it lacking in customization options. However, for its price, it's hard to beat as a reliable and user-friendly entry-level cover-stitch machine. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Juki MCS 1600 cover-stitch and chain-stitch sewing machine. This premium model is designed for serious sewists and professionals who demand the best in performance and reliability. The MCS 1600 takes everything great about the MCS 1500 and elevates it even further, making it the ultimate choice for advanced users. With a sewing speed of 1,350 stitches per minute and a differential feed adjustment, this machine handles all fabric types with ease, producing flawless finishes every time. Its super easy looper threading system is a standout feature, reducing setup time dramatically. The sturdy build and compact design ensure stability while maintaining a manageable footprint for home use. The Juki MCS 1600 does come at a premium price of $649, but it's worth every penny for those who need professional-grade results. The only real downside is the learning curve for beginners, as this machine is loaded with advanced features that might overwhelm first-time users. If you're ready to invest in a top-tier cover-stitch machine, the Juki MCS 1600 is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed comparison of the top 5 best cover-stitch machines on the market. If this video helped you make a decision, please give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to the channel for more expert reviews. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy sewing!